Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to choose what information is synced in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on a trusted computer. Step 2. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on You and Google, then select Sync and Google Services. Step 4. To review what you've already synced, click on Review your synced data. Step 5. Under the Sync section, click on Manage what you sync. Step 6. Now it's time to choose your sync option. You have two choices. Select Sync Everything to sync all of your data. Choose Customize Sync if you prefer to select specific data to be synced. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your sync settings in Chrome according to your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.